6 and 7, I went to private school. I had the worst teacher, the same guy for both grades. He favored attractive girls, and once there was a science project about volcanoes, and the teacher lit up a cigarette, enjoying a bunch of puffs in the class. It was used to mimic a volcano starting to heat up just before eruption. There was a family that drove my sister and me to school. Their daughters were not friendly with us. Even worse, the parents chain smoked. It was so bad that when you opened the car or truck door, a plume of smoke would escape as you exited. Both parents coughed so bad while driving, I thought we were going to crash. They also listened to country music non-stop. So you can only imagine that I never tried smoking and I never listened to country music. At one point, I actually walked home instead of getting a ride back. There was one boy I got along with at school. His name was Simon. He was a couple years younger than me. That summer, there was a child serial killer. He abducted Simon near the area of 96th Avenue and Prince Charles Boulevard. Today, there is a fast food place there. It was built a year after he was murdered. The only takeaway for me from the private school, the grandson of a famous Vancouver boot company tried to sell me cannabis in grade 7. It was my first experience dealing with peer pressure. The kids were growing weed in the courtyard of the school under the noses of parents, teachers, and the principal. When I first started at the school, there was a boy named Steve Fonio. He had battled cancer, was a little older than the rest of us due to time away for treatment, and he lost his leg. He wasn't the nicest guy around. He bragged about stealing license plates from cars so he could drive his own car that wasn't insured. During lunch or recess, we'd play soccer, and Steve would run up, take the ball, and toss it into the neighbor's yard. I honestly felt for him. Years later, he ran across Canada to honor Terry Fox and to finish the Marathon of Hope. His version was called the Journey of Lives. Knowing Steve, fame did not benefit him, and he went on to a downward spiral into drug addiction. He is now in a better place. May he rest in peace.